Hey everybody, this is DARPA. I want to welcome you again to my channel, and in this video we're going to show you how to take your video, and rank it #1 on YouTube. I'm going to show you step by step, and it's going to be very transparent. Check this out. Now before we watch the system, I guess I should give you a little backstory, and so you understand that it's not just a fluke here. Now, I've been doing SEO optimization since a lot of you actually been alive. Since before the cell phone, before the internet, YouTube wasn't even a word. It was like giving a toaster to a caveman. They wouldn't know what to do with it. If I told you that I'm going to put you on YouTube 20 years ago, you wouldn't have understood what I said. You wouldn't even have understood the concept. Now, the next clip that you're about to see, I did it in real time. I actually recorded every single step of the way so you would understand actually how the system works. It took me about an hour from concept to design to production to editing to upload to optimization to putting it on YouTube and then ranking it finally. So that whole process took me about an hour. So I'm going to show you real quick how that was done. Check this out.
Okay, so this is the picture that we first started. We're going to do this in time-lapse video. So what took me an hour is only going to be about less than 60 seconds. But my son gave me a picture of him at his car dealership, and he was all proud of his 30-inch rims. But I told him to bring up make it loud, make it scream, you know. So I showed him how to do that, and he says, "Wow, Dad, can you put a video together for me?" I said, "Sure." And this was part of our chat that we had. I said, "Okay." I said, I didn't really know too much about cars, but what do you sell mostly? And he said trucks, and then as soon as I got that, I went to town. So I went ahead and got on the Google site or the YouTube site and started researching cars and trucks. And so I decided to put a video together using my editing software, and we're going to go into detail on this system in detail with my series. So we're going to pick up on each of the 6 tools that I used. One of them is Filmora, so you can see there I'm putting the video together on the right side, and on the left side I'm doing the optimization. So the key ingredients here in the optimization is surgical tactics. That is telling Google that there is certain codes in the description and the tags, and you know, certain descriptions in the title and codes in the title that would rank it #1 or close to it. So you can see there I'm doing the optimization there on the left, and on the right I was doing the introduction video, which again has certain codes and descriptions in the introduction video that would rank it higher than other videos out there. So you can see there it went to #2 within a very short time, probably in 45 minutes, but I wasn't satisfied with that. I wanted to go #1, so I tweaked it a little bit on the title, got it to #1, and that's basically it.
Pretty crazy, isn't it? Yeah, you can see his face now, right? When that conversation after dinner said, "Yeah, is the video done, Dad?" "Yeah, don't mess with your old man, I'll tell you what." I said, "The video's done and it's #1. If you want to be you, people have to see you." I mean, that's the bottom line. If you can make 100,000 videos, put them all up, be the best designer, the best production, the best editor, the best videographer. You can be the best at everything. You can be the best at your content, whether it's selling cars or bicycle tires, it doesn't matter. But if nobody sees you, you can't be you. Okay, DARPA, you proved it. All right, so what? So now what? Okay, now what? Oh, here's what. When I was growing up in New York, there was an old saying on the streets: "Don't snow me, show me." Now, here's the point of all this. I want to show you how I did it. I want to show you my system. I want to show you that it works. I want to show you that you can take the hard work that you're doing, the videos that you're putting together. I don't care if you're an affiliate marketer or you sell cars, it doesn't matter. People have to see you, and if you're putting up videos and you're on page 33, guess what? It doesn't matter. They're not going to see you. You can put up 100 videos. It wouldn't matter. They're simply not going to see you. Your message will not get heard. I want you to wake up one day, have an idea, put it together, and put it on YouTube, and have it be #2 or #3 or even #1. But I want it to be consistently. I want you to do it every single time, and I can show you how. Now, if you're still watching this video, I know you got something to say. I know you have a product. I know you have a voice out there that you want to tell the masses, you want to tell the people that you have something to offer, but you just don't know how to get there. You just don't know how to reach those people. Now, I've put together a 6-video course that goes through every single step of my system, A to Z. Checklist off. I created a whole new Facebook page just for this project, okay? Here's the problem. I want to give it to you for free. Should I give it to him for free, babe? What should I charge? Should I charge anything?
What would you charge them?
I don't know. I mean, seems like the right thing to do. I guess I can give it away. Yeah, I'll give it away. I'll give it to you for free, all right? Here's the problem. In order to show you, I have to know you. I don't know you. You have to come to me. You've got to subscribe to the channel. You've got to email me. You've got to get on my Facebook, which is in the description. You've got to do these things in order for me to get you the information. I know you've got content. I know you've got videos out there. I know you want to yell to the world, I've got something. I need you to see it. I know you've got this stuff. You just don't know how to get to the promised land. So in the description, I'm going to put a free sign up for you. And all you got to do is put your name and email, and I will send you the entire video course. Or you can subscribe to my channel